Hello viewers, in today's video I will show you how you can install Lineage ROM on your Honor 8X which is running EMUI 9.0. Viewers, only EMUI 9.0 allows you to install custom ROMs. You cannot install custom ROMs on EMUI 9.1. So make sure you downgrade your phone to EMUI 9.0, only then you will be able to install custom ROM. And another important thing is that bootloader should be unlocked, and bootloader unlock is not free at all. Okay, you can buy this service from me to unlock the bootloader, or you can use any other service to unlock the bootloader, but it is not free. It is paid service. So I have already unlocked the bootloader of this phone, as in my previous video I have rooted this phone. You can see that phone is showing unlocked. It means the bootloader is unlocked and FRP is also unlocked. Now we will connect our phone in fast boot mode, and here we need to open the CMD window, and here we need to type command fastboot devices to make sure connectivity is okay and device is connected. And here we need to type fastboot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk space, and simply drag and drop the TWRP recovery on the CMD screen and press enter. Once flashing has been successful, you need to disconnect phone from your computer. Now you need to hold volume up and power button simultaneously. Volume up and power button. Keep holding both buttons until you see the message where it says your device has been unlocked and cannot be trusted. And after that you can leave the buttons and phone should enter TWRP recovery mode. Viewers, you also need one OTG connector, USB OTG connector, and USB mouse, because this TWRP does not support the touch function. So we will be using OTG connector and USB mouse to use this TWRP recovery. Once USB mouse is connected, you need to swipe to allow modifications, and then we tap on wipe, and then click on advanced wipe, and here you need to format data. Actually, after clicking wipe you need to click format data, and here you need to type yes to confirm and press the OK button, and you can see it is formatting the data partition. Now you need to go back. Don't reboot your phone. Okay, simply go back and click on reboot, and then click on recovery. You need to come back into TWRP recovery mode. Do not reboot your phone to system. Okay, you should click on reboot to recovery and press do not install if it asks you to install TWRP application, and phone should re-enter in TWRP mode. Because we have wiped the data, formatted the data, now TWRP should be able to read the data partition. Without format, TWRP cannot decrypt the data partition. Okay, once we are in TWRP mode again, we need to connect phone with PC, and now on our computer we will be able to see internal storage. We need to copy the Lineage ROM 17.1 I am going to install, and open GApps ARM64 version, which is for Android 10. Okay, Pico version is I am using Pico version because it is the smallest version of Android apps. We will copy these two files in internal storage of your phone. Viewers, if you don't need Google apps, some users don't want Google stuff on their phone, you can simply flash the Lineage ROM, and then you can follow the other process. You can skip the step where I will install GApps. But if you cannot use your phone without GApps, then you have to flash GApps with Lineage ROM. I mean, when you flash Lineage, at the same time you need to flash GApps. You cannot do this step later, okay? Otherwise you have to repeat all the process again. You need to format and reflash Lineage and reflash GApps. So decide you need GApps or not, okay? If you don't need GApps, you can skip the GApps, Google Apps installation. Okay, once these two files are copied, you need to disconnect your phone from computer and reconnect the OTG connector with USB mouse. And now you need to tap on install, click on install, and then click on install image, because ROM is an image file, and click on Lineage 17.1 file, and here you need to select system image partition, okay? Don't tick in any other partition, only system image partition, and swipe to confirm flash. Now this flashing process will take few seconds. It may take 1 to 2 minutes. We will wait until this flash complete. Okay, flashing has been successful. Now you need to go back. Do not reboot system, okay? If you don't want to install GApps, you can skip the next step, okay? We will click on install zip file again, and now we can install GApps. Simply select the zip file and swipe to flash. Now the GApps being flashed on this ROM. You can see that error where it is saying insufficient storage space available. So we need to resize the system partition, only then we will be able to flash GApps. So to resize the partition, we need to go back to home screen of TWRP Recovery and click on wipe, and then click on advanced wipe, and then here you need to tick in system partition, only system partition, and then click on repair or change file system, and here you need to click on resize file system. Now this option will resize your system partition and it will allow you to flash more things. So once this is done, you need to go back to home screen and click on install, and then select open GApps zip file and swipe to confirm flash, and now GApps installation will be successful. Okay, GApps are installed. Now you need to go back to main menu, click on reboot and click on bootloader mode. Yes viewers, we need to go in fast boot mode and we should flash stock recovery image, because Lineage will not boot with TWRP Recovery. You need stock recovery image, only then it will boot. Okay, we will connect phone with computer, and on computer we need to type command fastboot space flash space recovery underscore RAM disk, and then simply drag and drop the recovery RAM disk, the stock recovery RAM disk image on the CMD screen, and press enter. Viewers, I will include this stock recovery image in the download link. You can download it from there and press enter. Flashing has been successful. Now you need to disconnect your phone from computer and hold volume up and power button simultaneously. Viewers, make sure you hold volume up and power buttons simultaneously until you see that message where it says your device has been unlocked and cannot be trusted, and then you can leave the buttons and phone should enter stock recovery mode. Okay, in stock recovery mode we need to wipe data factory reset, type yes, and confirm the wipe data factory reset option. This factory reset process will take few seconds. Wait until it completes. If you wish, you can also format the cache and then reboot system. And now we will see that Lineage should boot up. Viewers, first boot may take a little bit longer, so you need to have patience until the system starts completely. Lineage just booted up. Now we need to make initial configurations. You can skip most of the steps if you want to configure it. If you want to connect Wi-Fi, you can do it at startup. I will just skip everything because I want to save the time. Okay, ROM just started and we can see everything looks okay. We will connect to Wi-Fi and then we are going to test few things. Viewers, every phone need to be Google certified in order to use Google Play services. So whenever you flash a custom ROM on your phone need to be registered on Google's API for certification. So you can see the Google Play is saying this device is not Play Protected certified. So we need to certify this device. Only then we can use Google apps. For this you need Android Google Service Framework ID of your phone. Only then we can register our phone. Viewers, every time you reinstall ROM on your phone, the Google Service Framework ID will change. So you have to repeat this process again and again. You can add up to 100 devices in your account, in your Google account. Okay, now we will search the ROM APK file and download it on our phone. If you want to use stock browser of Lineage ROM, you can also use that one. I think ROM will not install without certification, but let me try. Chrome failed to install, so we need to follow another process. We need to download device ID application, which will show you Google Service Framework ID that you can use to register your device on Google API. We need to search something like Android device ID, and then we will get that hint. We can see that application device ID, this one, the blue icon with blue icon. We need to download this one. I will modify my search query and search only device ID APK, and now we can see multiple links which are offering this APK download. So you can select any APK download link and download this device ID APK file on your phone. It is very small file, so it will take only few seconds to download. Once it is downloaded, you need to install it and open it, allow the permissions, and here you can see Google Service Framework GSF. This ID you need to copy. Just long press to copy the ID, and then you can either search in Google, you can search in browser, or you can simply open the Play Store and click this link which is where it is saying Android certified device. Okay, that link will also take you to that page where you can register your GSF ID, or you can also search in your browser Google certified devices. You can search similar queries, and it will lead you to that page where you can register your device. But I think the Play Store is easy. You can follow same process as I am doing. Maybe you have to go through multiple pages in order to find out the exact page. Okay, I think this is the page where I can register my ROM. No, it's not. We will go back to Play Store, and we will see if it is allow us to register our device. Okay, the page has been opened. I think it took some time. Okay, device is not certified. We will click on this option, and then see Android certified device. That link we need to click, and then this new page will open. We are doing this in Play Store, so you don't need to go through the browser. And here you can see link register your device. Click on it, and here you need to log in with your account, because this device will be saved in your account. and here you need to paste that Google Service Framework ID and click register. It will take only a few seconds. I think it is registered. Let me repeat the process, and it is already there. So but your device is still showing not certified. So this process actually takes few minutes to few hours. In normally for me it takes 1 to 2 hours to register your device if you keep your device connected with internet and just leave it as it is. After 1 or 2 hours you will be able to use Google Play services and your device will get registered. Or you can sometimes you can simply reboot your phone, and after a reboot your device becomes certified, and then you will be able to use all Google apps. I am just going to show you that my device got registered after a few minutes. So I will first try to reboot and see if reboots fix this problem. Otherwise I will have to wait until Google certifies my device. So you cannot do anything about this. You have to wait that much for few hours, and then you will be able to use Google apps. Okay, you can see it is still showing the device is not certified and time is 3:55. So after few minutes I am going to check again if phone gets certified. Till then we can explore the features of this ROM. Here in settings you can find PHH treble settings. You can modify your display settings, you can modify your icon looks. There are many features. I have not tested all of them, but all of them seems working. Dark theme is working. You can enable dark mode on your system, on your phone, and the styles, I don't know how to change these styles, or how to add new fonts, but here you can modify your styles, and ROM looks very smooth. It is very faster than the EMUI. You can change font sizes, you can change display sizes. There are many options. There is a very good feature in this ROM, which is camera 2 API. So you should enable it for better photography. You can also install Gcam. I have included Gcam APK in the download links. You can install that Gcam for better videos and better photos. No other version will work on this ROM, so only the version I have provided, only that version will work with this Lineage ROM on this phone. So you cannot use the latest version of Gcam. The only provided version will work. But if you want to test something, you want to test new APK, I am not stopping you from the testing. You can do tests on your phone as you want. You can see the Gcam is working fine. So you can also use Gcam instead of open camera. So okay, now it is 4:15 almost, and now we will check if device is certified. Almost 20 minutes passed, and now yes, it is allowing me to log into Play Store. So device got certified, and now I will be able to use Play Store and download all other Google stuff from the Play Store. Any other application I want to download, I can do without any problems. So this device will remain certified until you factory reset your phone or reinstall your ROM. After that, you have to again register Google System Framework ID, and then Google services will work. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos in future.